heading south from old Andado, past Andado. In a minute we're going to air down the tyres because we run pretty high air pressures on most of our rides. We don't want to get flats out in this sort of remote country. So we'll do that in a second. But this track is just phenomenal. It's hard riding, it's physical, heaps of bulldust, a lot of sand, some really good fast flowing riding. But it's not a ride I'd recommend on your own on a big bike like these. But watching this video, you get a good idea of where we can take them. Anyway, enjoy this video, guys. Stick with it if you can. It's one of the longer ones. It's about 11 minutes, but I think it's worth watching this one. So enjoy our day.
See, that's what he's saying. He said left. He said get up on the shoulder. That is real bulldust. Yeah.
That is the best way to describe it.
It's exactly
that is
the same.
exactly how to describe it.
You open a cement bag and you pour it and you can hear straight through it. So it's like it's exactly the same.
There is no better explanation.
Dry cement.
That was a big long section of it today.
Oh yeah, he was right.
Yeah, it was a bit out. I would have described it by saying, as soon as you see the crashed aeroplane or whatever that is, get ready.
Yeah.
Start getting ready for it. And he was a few k's out.
It was after that.
It was after.
Was it?
Yeah, because remember I stopped up and we saw all those birds.
Yeah.
And then that's where the plane was.
Yeah, that's where the
plane was. Where the cattle, the stockyards were. And then there's a little bit after that. And then there it was. Mate, I tell you, when I came round and saw that, I went,
yeah.
That's the one.
That actually looked worse than what we rode through the day before.
Didn't it?
It looked worse.
The one before, the day before, it was more sandy.
Yeah, it was.
There was bull dust and deep sand.
Yeah, it was. It was both.
It was physically harder to ride.
That was just pure bull dust.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, today was
the
not
bull dust is
hard.
when you're going slow. It's not as hard as the sand.
No.
Because you're going to a firm base.
Yep.
The sand, you're not getting to the firm base.
Yep. Like you said, and the problem you find when you're riding along, and you see patches of the water, and then you hit it, it's like you're getting a fire hydrant and you